In the new version of Google Meet, at the bottom right-hand side, you have host controls. So if you click on that, at the very top, you have a button here for host management. You'll want to leave that on because when you turn it off, it essentially allows all of your users inside of the Meet to be able to mute each other, um, add people, and that sort of stuff. So we're going to go ahead and leave that turned on. Then you have two other buttons here, share their screen and send chat messages. So if you would like your students to be able to share their screen and show you what they might be working on at the time, you'll want to make sure that's turned on. And if you want to be able to send chat messages in the background, you'll want to turn that on or off as well. The last button here is quick access. If you have this if you have this turned off, then that means anyone who is not invited to your meet will have to ask before they're allowed entry. So it will just pop up, it'll ding and pop up a little message while you're in your meet and ask you if you want to admit that person. So you can leave that off if you want them to ask for entry. The other thing to keep in mind in the Meet is when you are leaving, you get an option here to just leave the call or end the call. If you just leave the call, then you're leaving, but if there are other students in there or students still have the link to the Meet, they'll be able to access it after you're gone. So when you're finished with your class, you'll want to make sure to click end the call, and that will end it for everyone that's in there. If you have any questions, please let us know.